Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be solving the equation 6 to the power of x is equal to 60. So to solve this, what I'm first going to do is I'm going to be taking the log on both sides. So I get log of 6 to the power of x is equal to log 60. Now, if I have something in the form log of a to the power of b, I can move this exponent b to the front. This can equal b times log a. In this case, I have log 6 to the power of x, and I can move x to the front. So I get x times log 6 is equal to log 60. Now from here, I'm going to divide both sides by log 6. So then these two cancel out, and I get x is equal to log 60 over log 6. So now from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite log 60 as log of 6 times 10. And if I have something in the form log of a times b, this is equal to log a plus log b. So log 6 times 10 is going to equal log 6 plus log 10. And I evolve this over log 6. Now, from here, if I have something in the form a plus b over c, this is equal to a over c plus b over c. So log 6 plus log 10 over log 6, I can write this as log 6 over log 6 plus log 10 over log 6. Now, log 6 and log 6 cancel out, so I get x is equal to 1 plus log 10 is also equal to 1. So I have this over log 6. And if you guys already didn't know, log 6 is equal to log 3 times 2, which is equal to log 3 plus log 2, which is equal to 0.7781. So if I plug this in for log 6, I am left with x equals 2.2852. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be solving the problem 2 to the power of 20 minus 1. So I want to find the value of 2 to the power of 20 minus 1. So to solve this, what I'm first going to do is I'm going to rewrite 2 to the power of 20 as 2 to the power of 10 times 2. So now I have 2 to the power of 10 times 2 minus 1. And if I have something in the form a to the power of m times n, this is equal to a to the power of m to the power of n. So 2 to the power of 10 times 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 10 to the power of 2. And I have this minus 1. Now 1 I can rewrite as 1 squared because 1 is the same thing as 1 squared. So now I have 2 to the power of 10 to the power of 2 minus 1 squared. And the reason I put this in this form is because now I can use the property a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So in this case, a is equal to 2 to the power of 10 and b is equal to 1. So now I get 2 to the power of 10 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 10 minus 1. Now, 2 to the power of 10 is equal to 2 to the power of 5 plus 5. which is equal to 2 to the power of 5 times 2 to the power of 5, which is equal to 32 times 32, and 32 times 32 is 1024. So I get 1024 plus 1 times 1024 minus 1. Now 1024 plus 1 is 1025, and 1024 minus 1 is 1023. So now I have 1025 times 1023, and to solve this, or to multiply these two, I'm not just going to do it using the basic multiplication method because this takes way too long. Instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this as 1000 plus 25 times 1000 plus 23, and now I can distribute my 1000, so I get 1000 squared plus 23 times 1000, and now I can distribute 25, so I get 25 times 1000 plus 25 times 23. Now 1000 squared is equal to 1 million, so I have 1 million plus 23,000 plus 25,000 plus 25 times 23, which is 575. So now from here, 23,000 plus 25,000 is 48,000, and 48,000 plus 575 is 48,575, and that plus 1 million is 1,048,575. So this is my answer to this problem.